In Nookal, you can set up your own titles relating to the client's case, their position or role, and their gender. Once the titles are created, you'll then see them on the drop-down menu alongside our preset options when creating a new client or new case. Titles can be found by going to Setup, Practice, Titles. On each tab along the top, you'll see the different types of titles that you can set up, with a few options that are auto-generated for you. Let's start by looking at the gender and client titles. As you can see, we already have our most common titles listed below, but to create a new title, just click on the plus symbol at the top of your screen and add in the new titles that you would like to create. Now I'll do the same for the gender titles. Once created, you'll see the title show up as an option on the client profile, here for client titles, and here for gender titles. Next, let's take a look at case titles. So a case title is the name that you can give a client's case file, which will then be used when making bookings, generating invoices, and writing clinical notes. You can manually type out the desired title of the case each time that you generate a new case, but to save time and maintain consistency across the clinic, you can set up pre-crafted titles. Once again, create the new title by selecting the plus sign here, confirm the type and locations, and keep the status as active. You can also deactivate non-required case titles if required. Once the title is created, you'll be able to select it directly from the list when creating or editing a case. When a case title is selected from the list, you can still add in unique information relating to that client's case. For example, you might like to add in the date. Want to take it a step further? Why not check out our cases report, where you can track the stats relating to each case title, including their booking and discharge rates.